Hello students, welcome to online session. This is Shailaja Savarma from Upper Public School. I am handling math subject for 5th standard. Already we have discussed in first video introduction of fractions, types of fractions, comparing and ordering of fractional numbers and addition. Only addition of fractions over. Now today I am going to explain subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. In this first one, when the denominator is same, that is, for example, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. When the denominator is same, now do like this. Numerator write as it is 2 minus 1 divided by 5. It is denominator is same is there, means not necessary for LCM. Now solve like this one. 2 minus 1 we get 1 divided by 5. It is denominator is same is there, means do like this. Next, denominator is different. Denominator is different is there, means there is 5 by 6 minus 4 by 5. Here is denominator is different is there. What to do here? Take LCM. Because here is co-prime number is there, not necessary for LCM. This is directly multiply. Like 6 5s are 30. Okay. Now which number multiplying will get denominator 30? That is 6 5s are 30. And here is which number multiplying will get denominator 30? That is 5 6 are 30. Now multiply these number numerator and denominator. 5 into 5 divided by 6 into 5 minus 4 into 6 divided by 5. Okay. Next, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30 minus 6 4s are 24 divided by 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now here is denominator is same. Now that is LCM is 30. Now which number denominator numbers is there? Like as it is, that is 25 minus 24. Okay. That is 25 minus 24 will get, that is 1 by 30. This is when the denominator is same, means not necessary for LCM. Right, as it is, that numerator number subtract will get 1 by 5. Next, when the denominator is different is there, means take LCM. After that, which number multiplying will get denominator same? Do like this method. Okay. Next, subtraction of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction of subtraction. Okay. For example, 3 2 by 7. Okay. Next, 2 3 by 5. Here is mixed fraction is there. You have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Now here is multiply these number and add here. Here also multiply these number, these two, and add here. Okay. 7 into 3 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 5 into 2 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay. Next, 7 3 is 21 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 divided by 5. Next, 21 plus 2, 23. 23 divided by 7 minus 10 plus 3, 13. 13 divided by 5. And here is co-prime number is there. Multiply directly with this one. 7 5 is 35. Okay. The LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Okay. Now here is denominator 7 is there. 7 tables. Which number multiplying will get 35? 7 5 is 35. And here is 5 7 is 35. Now multiply that numerator and denominator number. This, that is 23 into 5, 5, next 7 into 5 minus 13 into 7 divided by 5 into 7. Okay, now solve. 23 5s are, multiply these numbers. 5 3s are 50, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 11, 115 divided by 35. Minus 37 are 91, 91 divided by 35. Now LCM is 35, 105 minus 91. Okay. Now subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4, 11 minus 9, 2. That is 24 divided by 35. Here is, this one is 24 divided by 35. This one is a proper fraction. Okay. This is not coming to convert improper fraction, because here is a proper fraction is there. We cannot convert a mixed fraction. Next one is multiplication of fraction. Next one, multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction. First, multiplication of a, it is first one, multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. Whole number. In this, multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. It is, for example, you can take 4 1 by 2 of 3. Here is, this one is mixed fraction is there. First, you can change, this is whole number. Here is multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. This is a fractional number, this is mixed fraction, and this is whole number. OF, OF stands for multiplication. What? OF stands for multiplication. First, we should do first mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. How to do? That is, multiply these number and add this number. Okay. 2 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Off place, you can use multiplication sign. Here is 3. Okay. That is 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3. That is 9 divided by 2 into 3. Here is, in multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number, here is rules is there. The fraction, the product of a fraction, the product of a fraction and a whole number is equal to, formula is there. This is fractions, product of a fraction, product of a fraction, or numerator of a fraction. Sorry, numerator of a fraction, numerator of fraction, numerator of fraction into whole number divided by denominator of fraction. Denominator of fraction. See, here is multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. Here is, that is rule is there, that is formula is there, the product of a fraction and a whole number. Okay, this is numerator of a fraction and whole number divided by denominator of a fraction. Okay, that is 9 3s are 27 divided by 2. Now already know how to convert mixed fraction, QRD form. Okay, now do here 2 divided by 27. Okay, 2 ones are 2. So subtract, will get 0. That is next number is 7 is there. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 will get 1. This is R and this is Q and this is D. Now writing which form? QRD form. Q place which number is there? 13. And R place which number is there? 1. And D place 2. Okay. Here is QRD form. This is mixed fraction. 13. 1 by 2. Again multiply 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 1. 27. 27 by 2. This is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Next, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Okay. Here is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Take on for example 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. See, and here also rules is there. Here is the first rule is there, that is product of two factors. Product of two factors is equal to, that is product of numerators and product of denominators. Product of numerators and product of denominators. How? Product of numerators means which number is there? 1, and here also 1. 1 into 1. Product of denominators means 2 into 3. Okay. That is 1 into 1 will get 1. 2 into 3 will get 6. This is multiplication of a fraction by fraction. Next, properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication means, in first, changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. For example, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. See, changing the order of Order means here is using 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Here is using first, here is 1 by 2 first using. And here is using first 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. How, see here? Now 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. Okay, that is 1 into 1 will get 1, 2 into 3 will get 6, and here also 1 divided by 6, that is LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side. Okay, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, here is first property says changing the order of fractional number does not change the product. Next property, there is second property. A fractional number multiplied by one number, the fraction itself, that is 2 by 3 multiplied by one number. Okay, a fractional number is multiplied by 1, that is the fraction itself, means 2 by 3 into, here is denominator not there, means here is 1 is there. You should be remember children, 1 by 1, that is 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 1 will get 2 by 3. Second property is what is there? When a fractional number is multiplied by 1, the fraction itself. Here is 2 by 3 is there, the fraction. Here came same fraction itself. Next, the product of the fraction of product multiplied by 0, it gives 0. Okay, that is 2 by 7 multiplied by 0 will get 0. How? See here. Here is denominator not the number, means 1 is there. Okay. 2 into 0 divided by 7 into 1 will get 2 by 0 is 2 into 0 is 0. That is 7 into 1 is 7. That is 0. Okay. First property is what? Changing the order of fractional number does not change the product. Second property, a fractional number multiplied by 1, it gives the fraction itself. When a fractional number is multiplied by 0, we'll get 0. Next is multiplicative inverse. Next one. Multiplicative inverse or multiplicative inverse are also called reciprocal. See here, first multiplication and division of fraction is there. First we have to discuss multiplication of inverse. After that we go to next point, that is division of fraction, because this is applicable to reciprocal in division. That means you have to do first multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means when the numerator and the denominator are interchanged in a fraction, the result is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, right? Definition: when the numerator and the denominator are interchanged in a fraction, the result is called multiplicative inverse inverse or reciprocal of that fraction. See, multiplicative inverse means when the numerator and the denominator are interchanged in a fraction, the result is called the multiplicative inverse and reciprocal of that fraction. Here is important points is there. That is the reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. For example, the reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction. The reciprocal of 5 by 15, 5 by 18 is 5 by 18 is 18 by 5. See, the reciprocal of proper fraction. Proper fraction means that is numerator is less than denominator. Okay. The proper fraction, the reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction. Next, first one or second one, the reciprocal of improper fraction is an proper fraction. For example, this one only 18 by 5. This is improper fraction. The reciprocal of this one 18 by 5 is, that is 5 by 18. Same is there. The reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. The reciprocal of improper fraction is a proper fraction. Okay. Next, the reciprocal of a whole number. Reciprocal of whole number. The reciprocal of whole number except 0, it will be have a numerator 1. The reciprocal of 80 is, this one is whole number. The reciprocal of whole number except 0, it will have a numerator 1. Here is not the number means 1 is there, denominator. The reciprocal of 18 by 1 is 1 by 18. That is, it will be a unit fraction. Unit fraction. Already know unit fractions means. Okay. That is, the reciprocal of 18 by 1 is 1 by 18. Next, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 0 cannot be found because when any number multiplying 0 will get 0. That means multiplicative of 0 cannot be found. Next, division of fraction. Next one, division of fractions. Division of fraction. In this first one, when a whole number is divided by a, when a fraction is divided by a whole number. Okay, that is division of fraction by a whole number. Okay, division of a fraction by a whole number. How to do? For example, Okay, this is rule is there. That is rule. That is fraction, divide whole number is equal to fraction. Here is children. You should remember children. Here is division sign replace multiplication sign. After that which number is there? Here is whole number is there. That was reciprocal of whole number. For example, fraction 1/3 divide any whole number 3. Okay, 1/3 divided by 3. Here is fraction divided by whole number, and rule is there, fraction multiplied by reciprocal of whole number. Here is 1/3, right, as it is. Here is changing sign. Which sign? Division sign changing, multiplication sign, and if denominator not the number means 1 is there. You should be remembered, children. Okay, and here is reciprocals means interchange the numerator and denominator. Okay, this goes to upside and this come to downside. That is 1/3. Now multiply numerator numbers 1 into 1 and denominator numbers 3 into 3. That is 1/9. Next, that is second one. Division of a fraction by a fraction. Next, division of a fractional number or fractional number. Okay, division of a fraction or fraction by fraction or fractional numbers. Okay, that is 1/2 into 1/3. There is two fractions is there. Multiply, sorry, division sign. Multiply this one. Okay, that is 1/2. Here 1/2, and here is division sign changing. Replace which sign? Multiplication sign. After that reciprocal this number. That is 3/1. Okay. Now multiply numerator numbers 1 into 3, 2 into 1. We'll get 3/2. Okay. This is division of fractional number. Next, third one, division of a whole number by a fractional number. Okay, fractional number. Here also rule is there. That is whole number, division sign. Next, fractional number, is equal to whole number, right, as it is, whole number, and there is multiplication sign and reciprocal of fractional number. Now, okay, here is division of a whole number by a fractional number means that is whole number divided by fractional number is equal to whole number multiplication sign reciprocal of fractional number. For example, that is whole number take fractional number. Okay, that is 3, right, as it is. Here division sign changing, multiplication and reciprocal this one 5 by 1. Here is number is not there means 1 is there. That is 3 into 5 divided by 1 into 1 will get 15 divided by 1 is equal to 50. This is the division of a whole number by a fractional number. Next, properties of division. Properties of division. First one, when a fractional number is divided by 1, we'll get the quotient, the fraction itself. Okay, that is 1 is, or when a fraction is divided by 1, we'll get the fraction itself. How? 2 by 3, sign changing here, and here is number is not there means 1 is there. Okay, that is 1 by 1 as it is. That is 2 into 1, that is 3 into 1, we'll get 2 by 3. Okay, that is when a fraction is divided by one number, the quotient is the fraction itself. Next, the fraction is divided by 0. Okay, we'll get 0. Next, 3. When a fraction is divided by same number, that is 2 by 4 divide, that is 2 by 4. The fraction itself same, that is it gives one number, that is 2 by 4, sign changing, that is 4 by 2. Now cancel 4 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 ones are, and 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here also 1 divided by 1 into 1 divided by 1 will get 1 divided by 1 will get 1. When a fraction is multiplied by divided by itself, it gives 1. Next, use of bracket. This is last. Use of brackets. Use of brackets. In simplification or simplifying fractions, brackets are also be used. How? Here is 3 brackets are used. That is brackets. Here is used first. That is first one, curved bracket. Curved bracket. This is called curved bracket. And second, flower bracket. It is flower bracket. And third one, square bracket. That is square bracket. Here is using 3 commonly using bracket. That is first one, curved bracket, flower bracket, and square bracket. These brackets, they are used same order. Same order means first this is curved bracket is there. When simplifying the expression, first it can use in within the bracket. Within curved bracket solve the first one. Second, we go to flower bracket. Third one, square bracket. Next, here is using Bodomas rule. Bodomas rule. What is Bodomas? There is B means bracket. B stands for bracket. Brackets. That is, this is first one, and this is second bracket, and this is third bracket. Okay. Next, O stands for off. O stands for off. And D stands for divisor. D stands for divisor. Next, M stands for multiplication. Next, A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. Okay. These are Bodemas rule. Bodemas means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Here is, take one example. Example. Example 14, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9 divide 5 by 18 of 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Here is given expression like this. You can use if there is no given brackets. Means you have to use Bodemas rule. How? This is first put bracket. After that square bracket. And here also curve bracket. And after that square bracket. Okay. Now simplify. Now you can use here Bodemas rule. How? First B means brackets. Brackets here, first one, which one is there? Curve bracket. Here also curve bracket and here also curve bracket is there. Okay. Now simplify first this one. Square bracket and this is flower bracket. Now 14 3s are 42 plus 1, 43 divided by 3 minus 2 by 9. Okay. Next, division sign 5 by 18 of, now this one also curve bracket is there. Now simplify this one. Now here is denominator is different is there. Take LCM, we will get 8. Okay. Here which number multiplying will get 8? 1 number. And here which number multiplying will get 8? 2 number. 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. Now 3 into 1 divided by 8 into 1 plus 1 into 2, that is 4 into 2. Okay. Next. Now 43. Here also denominator are different. Take LCM, you'll get 9 and here also 1. That is 43 into 3 divided by 3 into 3. Okay. Now within the curve bracket you can solve first. Next 2 into 1 divided by 9 into 1. Now we get here is changing division sign to replace multiplication sign. Here also reciprocal this one. 18 divided by 5 and here 3 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 8. Okay. Next 43 3s are 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay. 129 minus 2 divided by 9. Next 18 by 5. Next here also 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 8. Now here is simplifying first within the curve bracket. Within the curve bracket. Now first, in curve bracket, which number is there? That number simplified here. After that, this flower bracket. After that, square bracket. Okay. Here is 129 minus 2. We get 127 divided by 9 into 18 by 5 into 5 by 8. This number get cancelled. See here 9 ones are 9 twos are 5 ones are, and here also 5 ones are. Here also 2 ones are 2 fours are. The remaining which number is there? 127 divided by 4. This number convert it into mixed fraction. That is 4 divided by 127. Okay. 4 3 is 12. That is 0. The remaining which number is there? 7. 4. That is 4 ones are 4. That is 4 minus 2, 3. Okay. This is remainder, quotient, and this is divisor. Write in QRD form. Q means which number is there? 31. And D means QR means 3 and D means 4. This is the Bodomar rule using this problem simplification. That is mixed fraction 31 divided by 3 by 4. This is for today's class, and I hope all of you enjoyed the class, and let us meet next class. Thank you.